wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best desk lamps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're looking for something you can take on the go, consider the Luxe Cordless, which features a rechargeable battery. It bends and rotates to accommodate any shape of desk and comes in handsome colors to match many popular devices. It has an extra small footprint and can survive drops of up to 1 meter. However, its battery life could be better. At number 9, the Ambitronic Soft Touch can be dimmed and comes in at a very affordable price. It offers 4 modes, 5 brightness levels, and a 60-minute sleep timer. Its bulb lasts for up to 50,000 hours, and it sports a stylish glossy finish, but the joints tend to loosen easily. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Torchstar multi-joint sports a classic design that many architects will be familiar with, along with Pixar fans. It comes with 2 interchangeable bases, a heavy metal stand, and a plastic C-clamp that can attach it to any surface up to 2 inches thick. It's available in several colors, all with a power switch on the cord. However, note that a bulb is not included with this one. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for desk lamps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the phive Architect offers an extension arm and flexible positioning ideal for artists and technical drafting. The single panel diffused LEDs are easy on the eyes and shouldn't ever need replacement. It's simple to attach and equipped with an aluminum alloy arm, but of course it does have to be clamped onto a surface. Moving up our list to number 6. For those looking to add a classic touch, the Mlambert BenQ provides the modern convenience of 2 fast-charging USB ports. The green shade can be rotated 360 degrees, and its sturdy metal base makes it tough to tip over. It doesn't have any sharp edges, and the included bulb emits a warm glow. However, the glass shade is fragile. Halfway up our list at number 5. The IKEA Forcer comes from America's favorite Swedish designers in the style of a classic architect's lamp with a spring tension arm and a shiny nickel finish. It provides a relatively concentrated beam to help you focus on a specific area of your project. It's a durable steel construction that's powder coated for protection. Note that it uses a candelabra base bulb. At number 4, the Decora Student has an organizer in the base, so you can use it to hold pens, pencils, and scissors. It also has a slot that can be used as a phone holder. It's equipped with a flexible gooseneck and a nightlight mode for kids, and it recharges via USB. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Yostar Eye Caring boasts an impressive 4 USB charging ports and 2 AC outlets, making it ideal for families or those with multiple devices. It offers 4 brightness settings, and an 8.2-foot power cord gives you plenty of placement options. It folds down flat and is a good choice for hotels. It protects devices from power surges too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for desk lamps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the BenQ Ereading sports a convex LED panel that operates at a consistent voltage to prevent flickering and ghosting. It can adjust its brightness automatically based on the ambient light. It features stepless color temperature settings and is offered in blue, gold, and silver. The bulbs can last for over 17 years. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Dowtronics LED sports a sleek, stylish body and a touchpad that can change the brightness with just a swipe. Thanks to its rotating head, it's easy to direct the light exactly where it's needed. It's equipped with a USB charging port and creates minimal glare. It's good value for the money. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for desk lamps, or simply click beneath this video.